Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website pay you ethereum every 1 minute 6 satoshi. This is very least because the ethereum price is going every day up. Okay, and first of all, paste your ethereum wallet address in here. Just solve the captcha and you can claim your free cryptocurrency instantly in your Faucetpay. Okay, just I go to first my Faucetpay, go to link, address it, and I copy MetaMask ethereum wallet address. I copy it and came here, paste it. Next is to solve this captcha. I reload the captcha because I didn't read it. I can't read it, and this is simple, needs, must, and just solve this little captcha to tiger. Okay, tiger, dog, elephant, and fox, and come down and wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you can claim your free reward instantly in your Faucetpay. And that's it. Just I click get reward. This website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay, okay, without any second. And now you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. I go to my Faucetpay, go to overview, and you can see this website pay me instantly. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning website, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.